Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go to settings on GoPro Fusion 360. To go to settings, click on this button right here to switch between modes and switch to this mode. Now you can click on the rec button to enter, and now you are in the settings. You can click on this button to go to the go down. And when you are pointing on the very top position, you can click on the rec button to switch between video adjustment mode, photo adjustment mode, time-lapse adjustment mode. Then you can go to connectivity, voice control, settings, and that's basically it. And when you go all the way down in any of those tabs, you can go to done, and now it will exit the settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.